The science behind high-performance salespeople. Why sales is a science and not just luck. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered why some salespeople seem to close deals effortlessly while others struggle? Is it pure luck? No. Selling is a science. It's a formula, a strategy, a mindset. If you master the science, you can turn selling into a predictable and profitable skill. Today, we're diving deep into what makes high-performance salespeople stand out. You will walk away with practical, proven strategies to increase your closing rates, earn more, and build unstoppable confidence in your sales game. The power of psychology in sales. Selling is 80% psychology and 20% strategy. It all starts in your mind. High-performance salespeople know how to control their thoughts, emotions, and energy. If you feel uncertain, your prospect will feel it too. But if you exude confidence, certainty, and enthusiasm, your prospect will mirror that energy. Remember this: people don't buy products, they buy certainty. They buy solutions to their problems, and you are the bridge between their pain and their dream outcome. So, how do you develop a high-performance mindset? First, you must have self-belief. If you don't believe in yourself and your product, why should your customer? Second, emotional control is essential. Learn to manage rejection and use it as fuel for growth. Lastly, energy management plays a crucial role. High energy equals high influence. How you show up affects your sales. Understanding your customer's decision-making process. Here's the truth: people don't make decisions logically, they make them emotionally and justify them with logic. The best salespeople understand how to trigger the right emotions. The decision-making process begins with pain awareness, where the prospect recognizes a problem. Then, they develop a desire for a solution, seeking relief from their issue. Next, they evaluate their options by comparing different choices. An emotional trigger then pushes them to say yes, and finally, they justify their decision logically. Your job is to guide them through this process smoothly. Building rapport like a pro. People buy from those they like, trust, and relate to. Building rapport isn't about small talk, it's about connection. To build rapport effectively, match your prospect's energy by speaking at their pace and mirroring their tone. Use their language by adapting your words to fit their style. Most importantly, listen more than you talk. Ask powerful questions and let them speak. The 3 most important sales skills. Asking the right questions is a fundamental skill. Great salespeople don't pitch, they diagnose. They ask questions that uncover the customer's pain points. Another crucial skill is storytelling. Facts tell, but stories sell. Use real-life examples to make your offer come alive. Lastly, handling objections like a master is essential. Objections are buying signals in disguise. Learn to reframe objections into opportunities. The 5-step high-performance sales process. The first step is prospecting. Finding qualified leads is key. Stop wasting time on the wrong people. Next is qualifying, where not everyone is a good fit. Identify serious buyers early. The third step is presenting, where you should show the value, not just the features. The fourth step is handling objections. Prepare for resistance and have a plan to overcome it. Finally, closing is crucial. Make it easy for them to say yes. The psychology of closing. Most salespeople talk too much and close too late. High performers know that closing happens at the very start by building trust and certainty. One technique is the assumptive close, where you act as if they have already decided. An example would be asking, "Would you like it delivered by Monday or Tuesday?" Another method is the alternative close, where you give two choices, both leading to a yes. For example, "Would you prefer the silver package or the premium?" The urgency close is another powerful tool. Use scarcity to drive action by saying, "This deal is only available until Friday." Overcoming fear of rejection. Rejection is part of the game. Every no gets you closer to a yes. The key is to detach emotionally. Reframe rejection as feedback, adjust your approach, and keep going. The power of follow-up. 80% of sales are made after the fifth follow-up, yet most salespeople stop after one or two. If you want to be a high performer, be relentless in your follow-ups. Use different channels such as calls, emails, texts, and social media to stay top of mind. Daily habits of high-performance salespeople. Success in sales isn't just about skills, it's about consistent habits. Start your day with energy and purpose by following a morning routine. Set daily goals to know what you need to achieve. Role-playing and training should be a part of your daily routine to sharpen your skills. Engage in mindset work by reading, listening to, and absorbing success-driven content. Lastly, track your performance and constantly look for ways to improve. How to sell without sounding salesy. One of the biggest fears salespeople have is sounding too pushy, too aggressive, or too salesy. The truth is, great salespeople don't sell, they help. Instead of forcing a sale, they guide a prospect toward the right decision. The key is to shift your mindset from selling to serving. When you genuinely believe in your product and understand how it can benefit the customer, you naturally communicate with confidence and sincerity. A powerful way to sell without being pushy is by asking the right questions. Instead of bombarding a prospect with reasons why they should buy, ask about their problems, goals, and frustrations. When they open up about their pain points, you position yourself as the solution rather than just another salesperson. Another important strategy is using soft closes instead of hard closes. Instead of saying, "You should buy this now," try, "Does this sound like something that would benefit you?" This approach allows the prospect to feel in control of their decision. People hate being pressured but love making their own choices. Additionally, storytelling makes selling feel natural. Instead of listing features, share real-life stories of how your product has helped others. A well-told story makes a product relatable and desirable without feeling forced. Finally, focus on building relationships. The best salespeople don't treat customers as transactions, they treat them as long-term partners. Follow up, show genuine interest, and always provide value. When you approach sales this way, people don't feel like they're being sold to, they feel like they're being helped. Becoming unstoppable in sales. Sales is not about being pushy, it's about serving. When you believe in your product, when you understand your customer, and when you master the art of persuasion, success becomes inevitable. Take what you've learned and apply it. Knowledge without action is useless. So go out there, implement these strategies, and become a high-performance sales machine. Are you ready to take your sales game to the next level? Let's go make it happen.